at you. Look at you. You're enjoying your morning? You are. How's that sausage?
Delicious.
You know, we have an entree. Well, it's like an appetizer on the menu at Whitfield. It's the sausage party, it's called. We named it that before the movie. I just want to put that out there.
Before the movie?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Would you say it's a sausage party in your mouth?
Yes. And there's been at least one like food writer who said that in a review.
Sausage party in your mouth?
It's like a party. No, she didn't say that. What'd she say? She said the sausage have a nice snap in your mouth. That's what she said.
Why would she not say a sausage party is a fucking sausage party in my mouth?
It was very close. It was awesome.
That's just bad food writing right there.
Sausage party.
The sausage party that is in my mouth.
It comes with 3 sausages.
Okay, what
3
kind?
types. There's the, we do rabbit sausage sometimes, and then there's a Casa Craner, which is like a sausage.
Bunny sausage?
Yeah, bunny sausage. Rabbit, we do bratwurst, kibasi. And then there's one, the rabbit and the Casa Craner switch out. The Casa Craner.
What's Casa Craner?
Casa Craner's like, it's a lot like kibasi, except it's got Swiss cheese in it. Oh, it's so good. It's delicious. So like when it snaps, there's like cheese that oozes out of it.
Wow.
It's really good.
That does sound really good.
Some like German guy or Swiss guy came in and said that it was almost as good as the ones back home, and that Casa Craner means pus. I know, isn't that terrible?
Well, no, like there are so many foods out there that are just terrible in regards to the fact that like I always like to say that like everything that was Irish food looks like the same as it goes in as it does coming out, because like I mean that's what the goal of Irish food is that it should be okay to easily vomit. You know, I mean, and that's kind of the, and I mean like there's just stuff that like I look at
what is that?
Like shepherd's pie.
Thank you. That's what I was trying to think of.
It looks like what goes inside a diaper.
It does. It's
but it's amazing.
It's
it tastes
so
great.
good.
But no, keep your eyes closed because it's not pleasant to look at. Haggis.
Yeah.
Like all British Isle food, all pretty much fish and chips, really looks the same coming both in and out. It does not change much. You know, and I mean, and you just throw that beer on top of everything, and it's just
Yeah. I guess that makes sense.
Yeah. So, and that's why I think the French have more refined tastes. It's because like all their drinking habits are based in wine and clearer spirits, so they have less like vomit when they're drinking.
So they can digest.
So they can digest, and they can have like they drink slower. The Irish, the Scottish, and the English. The weather's shit.
Yeah.
It's always cold. It's rainy.
They're
miserable people to begin with. Like I mean, I know my family is Irish, and they're miserable people to begin with. And you want to be drunk around them. So that's all they do is they drink. So all their food has to look like shit.
Tom's family.
Yeah, Hungarians, same thing. Like look at Hungarian food, like goulash.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Disgusting to look at, delicious, but you don't want to take a picture of it. It looks like somebody vomited up red sauce on a giant plate of noodles. That's what But
or potatoes, depending on what kind of goulash you eat.
Yes, exactly.